welcome back to the major scales music theory unit of study. We are working on B major scale. We are also learning why the circle of fifths is organized the way it is. And so now if we look at it, we've done major scale C, then G, then D, then A, then E, and we know that those are all 1/5 apart. If that doesn't make sense, rewatch the videos and it will all start to sink in. The nice thing is that the videos are short, so rewatching them is easy to do and it will help cement the learning. Okay, so let's find B. So B is this one. Okay, so I want to find that on C string so that it's easy to just continue using the same finger shape. So again. What is that on my hand? I just washed the dishes. Okay, so I'm on fret 11. So I'm gonna do. This is challenging because the frets are so close. I'm sorry about the fly that just flew across the camera. The frets are so close here, so it is a challenge. And now we're finally playing on a higher part of the ukulele, which if you're a beginner, we've played here a lot. And there's probably markings on your fingerboard that you've been there, but it's really nice that we get to play on a new section. So the notes here are, and I'm gonna look at my notes so I make sure and say them correctly because now there's so many sharps. So we have B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B. Now if we look at B chord, I'm gonna play it this way over here. If we look at B chord, the B chord is made from the 1, 3, and 5 steps, or the 1/3, the first, the third, and the fifth steps of the B major scale. That would be B, D sharp, and F sharp. So when we look at B chord, the first note is a B. The next one is a D sharp. The next one is an F sharp. And the last one is a B. And so that's why B major chord is B major chord, because it's just the combinations of notes B, D sharp, and F sharp, or the 1, 3, and 5 from the scale. This is how the circle fits, the scale, and the chords all tie together. Remember that there is a free printable for this, and if you would like to support the channel in any way, there are several ways to do it. I will have them on the screen and down below, but remember that just leaving a comment, sharing the video, or liking the video is a way to support as well. Thank you so much for joining me on this academic journey of study, and I will see you in the next video. Sorry about the noise. I'll see you in the next video. Sayonara!